Welcome back. As a part of this lecture, we'll understand cross joins. Cross joins are also called as Cartesian joins. By the way, what is Cartesian? Cartesian product is one of the terminology which is being used as a part of mathematics, especially in set theory. When you say get the Cartesian product of two numbers, we will say 3 into 3 is 9. The Cartesian product of two numbers will be 4. Like this, whenever we have some values in one set, another set of values in another set, if you want to get the Cartesian product of two sets, so then it will be a like number of values in one set into number of values in another set. That is what is a Cartesian product. So now we are using that concept and trying to apply that as a part of the joins. So then what will happen as a part of the cross joins? Cross joins will join every single row in the left data frame to every single row on the right data frame. So how do we really use the cross join? There are two ways. Okay. The first way is this. Just join one of the data frame that is on the left with the another data frame and include the cross join in between them. Then this will give the Cartesian product of the rows of the left with the right. Another way of using it is you can also provide the join expression. The way we have been providing the join expression for other types of join, you can also specify the join expression here as well. And instead of specifying the join type as other join types, you can mention it as a cross join here. But the results would vary. We will see that as a part of the practical class. Let us take an example here. So we have a left data frame. This is actually the left data frame, this one, and this is the right data frame. When we do the cross join here, this row will be combined with this row and this row. This row will be combined with this row and this row, and this row will be combined with this row, this row. So that way we will get 3 into 3, total 9 records in the resultant data frame. That is how cross joins work. But you got to be cautious when you are using a cross join. Whatever the data set what I showed you is very small, just to understand the concepts of the cross join. If you really look at the data in the big data, the records may run into millions. Imagine when you cross join one data frame with another data frame which is having a millions of records, this may cause an absolute explosion in the number of rows contained in the resultant data frame. This may also end up in a out of memory errors. So you got to use the cross join with utmost caution. Mostly in your project you may not use the cross join very often. If you do so, be very cautious. Thank you.